is Renee, and I want to welcome you to Love Letters. And I also want to thank Kara for asking me to be a part of this project. I'm very excited to share this with you. We're going to create a collage. And one of the things that I love about collage is all the idea of gathering beautiful elements and layers and meaning, personal expression is just a really beautiful way to create art. And in this lesson, we're going to think about connecting with our families, connecting with our memories and nostalgia and whatever comes up within you, and kind of being very mindful of our relationships and the nurturing of our relationships. And people who we have close to us and people who live far away, maybe people who are no longer here with us. So it's a very deep and meaningful process to me, and I'm assuming it will be to you as well. So we're going to do a lot of different techniques within this lesson, and I wanted it to be a very relaxing and kind of peaceful and nurturing art lesson. We're going to begin by gathering everything that we find beautiful, and then we're going to do some natural dyeing and stitching, and I want you to use whatever you have on hand. And I feel like we all have so many things that we can bring into a collage. So you can use your own artwork. I'm going to teach you a little sketching method to create a little miniature expressive portrait. That'll be fun. But we're going to just take some cotton muslin and dye it in an avocado pit. And we get this beautiful blushy color, and then some embroidery threads to put into the collage. And then we're going to gather some vintage papers. You can make marks on the papers, whatever you have on hand. And then we're going to do some little miniature sketches that maybe you can bring to your work with very simple materials like Stabilo and charcoal and a water brush. It doesn't have to be a lot of fancy things. So I invite you to gather your materials, watch the very first video and see what I'm using and see what you like. And you can also take any of these techniques and bring it to your work. And I encourage you to do that. I hope you will. So I'm excited to start. So let's go to the classroom.